Damn rain, huh? The whole bottom's flooded. Sewer pipe right there is clogged up. The one up the road at my farmhouse is clogged up past that dump truck up there. And my whole bottom Target range flooded. Now I gotta just make the decision to wait for it to go down. Go down there with the shovel. I'll just call my buddy and see if he'll bring his backhoe over. Raining like hell though, I ain't going out in that wet. It's just gonna have to flood for a while. Ain't no better up the other place. Logs and shit got that pipe all clogged up. Well, I guess to decide what the hell to do here. I think my best bet is just look the other way till it quits raining. Always something. Always something.